guys, welcome back to Single Black Vegan. I know it's been a minute, but I had to come just to say hello, as well as let you guys know what's up with my Thanksgiving plans this year. Oh, and to shout out Almond Milk, Team Almond Milk, let's go Almond Milk. I mean, who's still drinking cow's milk? Oh, I know, baby cows. Okay. I'm not here to bash all of you cow milk drinking people. I'm here to tell you about Thanksgiving and what I'm doing this year for Thanksgiving. I will be preparing my very first vegan Thanksgiving dinner. I'm really excited. Yeah, I am. I've never done this before, okay? Even before I was vegan, I wasn't preparing like Thanksgiving meals. You know, I don't want to have to go over to somebody's house and they have to kind of like make things for me, special for me, or take things out when they normally wouldn't take things out. I don't want to be a burden on anybody. So you know what? I'm going to cook it myself, and I can cook what I want. I can make what I want, eat what I want. I don't have to ask all the questions.
Did you cook it in butter? Did you put some bacon in the green beans?
I don't have to worry about that this year. I'm going to make my own vegan Thanksgiving dinner. And shout out to my grandma. You know, may she rest in peace. But let me tell you, that lady had the best cornbread dressing. I ain't talking about no stuffing. We ain't do stuffing where I'm from. We do dressing. So I'm gonna make some vegan dressing. That's on the menu. I'm gonna make some greens, which, you know, I've done greens before. I can do greens, okay? I got that down, okay? I'm gonna make some mac and cheese, of course, vegan. Never really done that before, but there's a lot of recipes out there. So I know I'll be able to find one and kind of maybe, you know, do my own little thing to it and hope that it tastes good. Okay, so we got cornbread dressing, some greens, mac and cheese, and I'm going to make some jackfruit turkey. I love jackfruit. You can do so many things with it. So yeah, oh, and I'm going to do a dessert. I'm going to do a honey bun vegan cake. My dad used to make a honey bun cake all the time that I love so much. And I remember last Thanksgiving, I requested it, right? I'm like, can somebody make me a vegan honey bun cake? And my sister made it for me. It was so good. So I'm probably gonna have to call her and ask her about the recipe so I can do that for myself. And I'll give you guys a little behind the scenes of how I'm preparing the things and what I'm doing and what I'm using. You know, we'll just kind of see how that goes. And I'll be so excited to show you guys and let you know how it went. And I also have a friend, she's vegan, and she's actually gonna come and be my guinea pig and try and check it out. Maybe I should also have a non-vegan come and see. Nah, they ain't gonna understand. It's cool. Non-vegans, don't worry about it. That's all I wanted to tell you guys, is that I'm going to be preparing my first vegan Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving dinner. All vegan, all vegan, all vegan, all vegan. All right, bye y'all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.